Yo, 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 I got a stock of Sinsemilla growing in my backyard. But bang, 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 got a stock of Sinsemilla growing in my backyard. Hey, yeah, I tell you, a friend with weed is a friend indeed. Shonda Paluga, man, you don't know we said speed. Yo, a friend indeed is a friend with weed. What we telling you again, Shonda PC. Me go so, we burn the weed every day. You know, so we no play Shonda Paul, we no stray. Give it the indica, give it the whole heap of weed all the while. Shonda Paul and we there with a style, me say Sinsemilla growing in my backyard. That's what I wanna do now, just legalize it. Make me grow it in my backyard. Whoa, whoa, THC, give me the CBD. Give me the things that's good for me. I don't want to see no more cancer in me. Just run it away from me. S to the P and we there. Locking it properly. Yeah, we do it. All the while. Shonda Paul ingest it. Different style. What me telling you again. Yo, we coming with a different trend. Worldwide once again, yo. Medical benefits, economical. Shonda Paul there with the lyrical. All of the people know we blaze it every day. You don't know, so we have to stay. What me say? Stock of Sinsemilla growing in my backyard. Legalize it, get wise to it. Stock of Sinsemilla, it's growing in my backyard. Woo, woo, woo. Hey yo, this is Sean Paul, the girls I'm overall, and you are watching LargeUp TV. Keep it there, keep it blazing.